Welcome to Omi-Studio. Here, you will learn in detail about ONBASE. This course equips professionals with the skills to manage documents and automate workflows using the ONBASE ECM platform.
Let's add some visual components to this form. A popular option on Unity forms is to add your own company logo. To do that, we need to find the image control in our toolbox. I'm going to drag the image into my form. When I do, the Select Image menu will open up automatically. This is displaying a list of files from our disk group. These files happen to be a certain document type. That's the sys system bitmap document type. So if you would like to add your own custom images to ONBASE, you need to upload them as those system bitmap document types. I want to select the Owl's Wedding Barn logo and then click Finish. Now I'd like the image to be in the upper right corner here, so I'm going to add another panel. I'm going to make this a 2-column panel, and I'm going to adjust the widths here so that my image appears further to the right. I just need to make sure this adds up to no more than 100%. I'm going to drag my image on the right side and then account ID on the left side. Alright, our form's looking a little bit better. I'm going to update the ID for my new image. But notice in the properties, there's not a way that I can change the size. So if your image is a little bit too big or too small, we recommend that you update the image size outside of ONBASE and then re-import it. Sometimes it's useful to add things to your form like help text to guide users along as they fill out the form. To do this, I'm going to use what's called a paragraph control. Select the paragraph control, and I'm going to drop this in under the event date. I want to make sure that end users filling out this form know that we can only book weddings at least 30 days in advance. I'm going to give this a useful ID. And then to update this text, I need to change this content property. Weddings must be booked at least 30 days in advance. Now this text is a little scrunched up here, so I'm going to readjust these columns. So I'm going to select my panel, click the pencil, and then I'm going to adjust these column percentages. Notice in the preview window, as I update the column widths, it will change the display. Now I'm going to click OK. There, that looks a little bit better.